channel. If you are new, I would appreciate if you could hit the subscribe button and leave a comment down below, because I know that throughout these videos you will gain some type of tips that will help you, honey. So before we get into this video, I've really been finding it very helpful and very motivating to start off with a prayer. So let's dive into that. Dear Heavenly and Gracious Father, I thank you for allowing us to see another day. Thank you for allowing my community to come together, to continue to support one another, and to continue uplifting each other. I ask that you continue to bless us in every way that you see fit. Continue to surround us with nothing but positivity, good energy, good vibes, and genuine folks. All right, y'all be... Now that we've got almost everything cleared out, I wanted to go ahead and organize all of the foods that I had. I really just wanted to get rid of all those boxes. They were so bulky. They took up a lot of space, unnecessary space. So I wanted to utilize the most space that I could. I did buy these clear bins, but they really didn't end up fitting the way that I thought that they would. So I decided to just use them for a different project around the house. Part 2, this is what we have going on. Alrighty, so now that we are nearing the end of this video, I kind of wanted to go through and give a quick rundown and walkthrough of what we have. At the top shelf, we have all of our breakfast items. I know it looks like a lot because it is, but I was tired of not having any food for my guests when they arrived unexpectedly. So now that I'm stocked up, no one should ever be hungry. We have sausage, hash browns, sausage on a stick. It's like the little pancake things that they used to have back in the day when I was in school. French toast sticks, really all the breakfast foods and waffles. And then on the second shelf, I have more of like easy dinners, easy lunches. We do meal prep during the week, but sometimes on the weekend when things get, a little chaotic, we like to just have something that's easy to grab and microwavable. And that's only sometimes. And then at the bottom, we also have easy dinner options and chicken fingers and fish sticks and things like that. I just want to say one last thing as we are closing out this video. I just want to say that I really appreciate my support system. All of my friends and family have been so kind and so motivating for me to just continue doing the things that make me happy and the things that don't cause me to be too stressed out, because we all know that too much stress is not good for anybody's soul. So you guys continue to be blessed, continue to find your happiness and your peace, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.